Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a course to your existing VHL account. First, you're going to log in with your school email and password. You're going to hit login. Then you're going to scroll up to the top and you're going to hit enroll in a course. Click that. You're going to be given two options. You're going to scroll down to Senderos 2. You're going to choose Senderos 2. And you're going to click into the correct class. If you're in Miss Mears Spanish 1 or Spanish 2 first period, then you would choose that one. Second period, third period, fifth period, etc. Once you choose one, you're going to scroll down and you should see the enroll button, and you're going to choose enroll. You should see the green book pop up and you should be able to click into it and be in your course. And that's it.